I'm not. I caught some kind of water bug out here too when I throw the bucket in.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. Making a video here. We're camping. Going to put my body camera on and work my buddy's GoPro while he gets water out of the river. Yeah, out here getting ready to go camping. So I got my body camera on. He want me to use his camera.
Ready?
Yeah. Where's your camera?
Oh.
You told me to operate your camera.
Yeah.
You turn it on.
All you gotta do is hit that top button.
We'll go ahead and start it recording then.
All you gotta do is hit that top button right there, and it's recording.
Okay, we're out on the Nolichucky River here. My buddy's got a place here.
I'm Sean, Rock 130 on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm Jerry Davis on YouTube, just my name. He's drawing some water out to use up in his cabin, using a string with a bucket. Kind of remind me when I was growing up, my dad used the bucket and the string to draw water out of a cistern. So we'll see if he falls in or not, or he might catch a catfish in that bucket. Well, there's about 2 gallons of river water straight out of the Nolichucky.
It's called fishing for water.
Yeah, he's fishing for water. Got a container on the back of his four-wheeler, I'll call it.
And I caught another little creature right here too.
He's catching creatures.
Yeah, he's got a spider or something, water bug or something. I don't know what that is.
I have no idea. It's got legs on it.
I don't know. I'm getting it out of there though.
I don't know what that is.
All right.
So he's going to be drawing a little bit more water out, I think. He got his cabin up there. Pretty nice cabins. Him and his brother have a cabin. They own this place. Let me camp here. Got my tent set up, my F-150. Got a campfire going. I got my fishing poles out. Coleman stove, coffee pot for the Coleman stove. Lantern set up here on the tripod. Lantern in the tree. He's drawing some more water out right now. Got 2 more gallons. See if he caught any creatures this time.
Nope.
No critters this time.
No critters this time.
So that's the advertisement for Chick-fil-A with a Chick-fil-A bucket. You can't have Chick-fil-A chicken if you ain't got no Nolichucky water.
Appreciate y'all.
See ya. Hit the red button to stop it.
Yeah, the top button, yeah. That's one on the top here. I can edit it though.
All right, I cut his camera off. I was holding his GoPro. I still got my camera running. He's getting his 3rd bucket of water out. He might catch a baby alligator this time. Freshwater alligator, I guess. Looks cleaner that time. Didn't get no garbage in it.
I'm getting better at it, ain't I?
Oh yeah.
More practice, better.
Bucket's holding up.
Yeah, it is.
Put your camera on your seat.
Yeah, just stick it in the seat right there.
It's still on if you want to turn it off, save your battery. I don't know how to turn it off. Memorial Day weekend, 2021. Getting ready to do some camping. He's going to get a little bit more water to use in his cabin up there and walk over my campsite here. I got my tent, got my kerosene lantern, folding chairs, tackle box, a bucket to use in my tent for obvious reasons, Coleman stove, a lantern in the tree, coffee pot, got food in the cooler, F-150, back seat, everything I need loaded down, fishing poles, tent, lanterns hung up, firewood, propane, cooler back there with drinks. Got 3 gallons of water, a gallon of kerosene for my kerosene lantern. And I got 2 Coleman lanterns. Use that kerosene to start this fire here and put this tripod over it. We're gonna hang a pot on this tripod tomorrow and cook a pot of soup beans and maybe a pot of boiled cabbage. Got a head of cabbage. So be doing some cooking, be doing some fishing. Gonna make some YouTube videos, fishing, cooking on Coleman stove, cooking on the fire. Again, there's his cabins. Nice place out here. Got our mattress, gonna put that in my tent. Already up at the pump on my cigarette lighter. He's got another bucket of water. Thank y'all for watching.